Hey everyone, it's 𝐂𝐨𝐬𝐭 here, your friendly realtor and investor. Today, I'm excited to show you this beautiful property that's now for rent. If you're looking for a great place to call home in the Kissimmee area, this might just be what you've been waiting for. Let's take a tour of 2560 egret Loop, Kissimmee FL. This property is located in a quiet and friendly neighborhood, and it's perfect for families, professionals, or anyone looking for a comfortable and well-located rental. Inside, you'll find a spacious living area with plenty of natural light. It's perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. As you can see, this home is designed with comfort and style in mind. Camera show the kitchen, highlighting modern appliances, countertops, and any other notable features. Check out this gorgeous kitchen. It comes with modern appliances, ample counter space, and plenty of storage. Whether you love to cook or just need a place to grab a quick bite, this kitchen has everything you need. Camera show the master bedroom, then a couple of the other bedrooms. Emphasize size, natural light, and layout. Now let's take a look at the bedrooms. The master suite is spacious, offering a peaceful retreat after a long day. Plus, you've got plenty of closet space here, making it super easy to stay organized. And the other bedrooms, just as spacious and bright, perfect for family or guests. Let's not forget the bathrooms, beautifully updated, with clean finishes and plenty of room to unwind. Step outside, and you'll find a nice backyard area, perfect for outdoor activities or just enjoying the beautiful Florida weather. It's a great space for BBQs, gardening, or simply relaxing. This home is available now for just $2,750 per month. It's ready for you to move in, so don't miss out. If you'd like to schedule a tour or get more details, feel free to reach out to me directly. I'd be happy to help you with all your real estate needs. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more listings and real estate tips. Talk to you soon. Feel free to adjust this script based on your style and the specific features of the property.